So I've got to say, it's always nice to speak to someone from the company that actually makes the products, and I'm with Jeff from Velodyne. Thank you very much for joining us today. Maybe you can give us a little bit of history about Velodyne.
Phil, absolutely. I'd be happy to do that. I'm Jeffrey. I work for Velodyne out of the United States. I've been working with Velodyne for 12 years. Velodyne is actually one of the founder members of the CEDIA group, which was started back in the United States many years ago. Our company is primarily recognized as the premier supplier of powered subwoofers to the world. We are celebrating our 25th anniversary of being in business, and I'm very fortunate to be sent here to CEDIA UK to attend an event which I've been to for 4 years. Since we've been involved with CEDIA for many, many years, we've recognized the significance of the custom installation market and how, in many ways, it is driving our industry, particularly in the venue of automation, control, and, of course, let's not have any boxes in the room. We've been focusing a lot of our time and energy over the last few years on developing products that can be concealed, put in walls, or made very small. And I'm not sure how much you'd want to hear about that, but if you like, I can focus on one of our smallest and newest products, if you'd like to take a look at that.
That'd be great, Jeff, if we could take a look at that. That'd be fabulous.
Certainly. This product here is the Micro V. We've been making this product since approximately October of last year, and we've done extremely well with it. It is the smallest powered subwoofer we make. It features a 1,000-watt digital switching amplifier, which is over 95% efficient. It uses a circuit called an energy recovery circuit. It recycles the energy that's generated by the woofer and reuses it in the amplifier. This is very green technology. It's very significant, and we've been doing very well with it. It uses an active 6.5-inch driver and 2 passive radiators on either side. The cabinet is an extruded aluminum cabinet, and not only is it very thin-walled, which gives us more airspace inside, but it also acts as a heat sink for the entire amplifier and driver. This product is available here in the United Kingdom and throughout the world, and it's available in black and white. As again, it's very small, it's very compact. It's used with sound bars, in-ceiling and in-wall loudspeakers, and the designers and the interior decorators really love it. We're very fortunate here today at CEDIA UK to premiere in Europe for the first time our latest in-wall subwoofer product. We built an in-wall subwoofer product about 2 years ago called the SC1250. This has now been in the market for about 2 years, and it's done extremely well for it. One of its limitations as far as sales and market potential is fairly high price. But the significant advantage that this woofer had was that it was concealed completely in a wall, and the only thing you would see would be a small grill. In the United Kingdom, this had an approximate retail price of around £2,000. I'm very pleased to introduce to you today a brand new in-wall powered subwoofer, which is called the SC600. If we could focus on it for just a second. We've taken a box that is designed to go in a standard, well, in America, a standard 2x4 stud bay with 16 inches on center. And we have an outboard amplifier that drives this that can be rack mountable. And this design uses 2 active 6.5-inch drivers, which are located in the horizontal domain. One of the reasons we use 2 active 6.5 drivers in this design is because the 6.5-inch drivers has less moving mass than a larger 10 or a larger 12. So there's less transmission of horizontal momentum to the walls. This helps to prevent vibration of the walls and the transmission of energy from the driver to the other side of the wall. To further enhance the performance of the product, we've added to the top here and the bottom here 2 passive radiators. These passive radiators are 3 inches wide and 12 inches long. The objective of this is to take the energy generated by the back wave of the driver and improve the output of the overall system. Furthermore, there are significant advantages to having the two passives on the top and the bottom of the driver. The energy that's generated by the rearward motion of the cone pushes our drivers upwards and downwards. This helps to minimize the amount of vibration again that's transmitted to the wall and gives us a much larger surface area, so we get a lot of output from it. This is our latest product. It's going to retail here in the United Kingdom for around £1,000. That includes the box and the amplifier that drives it. This is the amplifier that drives it. It's called the SC600. It's 400 watts of dynamic power. It has our DSP signal processing on it. The DSP signal processing allows you to do automatic room EQ with a 5-band graphic equalizer. It has a 4-position adjustable phase and presets for different listening modes. The amplifier itself also comes with rack mount ears, and so it can be placed in a rack if you wish. And this particular amplifier is designed to drive an in-floor as well as the in-wall design. And the amplifier can be custom set prior to operation for either application with either one of these products. This SC600, we think, will give our customers the ability to specify subwoofers into more than one location so that more people can have more bass in their homes. We recognize that with the move to on-wall and in-wall and in-ceiling loudspeakers, there's a significant need for improved bass performance, since it's quite difficult to get good bass out of these kind of designs. And with also the movement towards sound bars for convenience and for ease of application, we think that this will give our customers the opportunity and the flexibility. We're talking about solutions to customers' problems and trying to hide these products so that they're more acceptable to the architects and interior designers.
Jeff, it's great to see you. Thank you very much for taking us through your products. It's been a pleasure.
Phil, thank you very much for your time. It's great to meet you. Enjoy the rest of the show.